Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about looking for savings, discounted items, sale price, because we don't want to pay for a regular price or retail price or manufacturer's excessive price, okay, because we like to save money. So what we're looking at here, it's solar powered energy savings, security light, motion sensor, should you say. So as you can see, this one is listed for what, $39.99, and right now they if you click on it, you get 50% off, and also there's another additional 15% off, which is going to be include this code right here, EDYXA3K3. Okay, to bring this light down to $13.99. $40 doesn't sound good, but for $13.99, this light I think it's a deal, you know. And here it shows here built-in dusk to dawn photocell, waterproof, heat resistant, frost resistance, all kinds of stuff. And it has an 8-inch solar panel, so basically it will charge. The battery that it has is 5,000 milliamp. So you can put it anywhere you like, by the shed, the backyard, by the garage, where getting power is not easy or you can't have access to power. This solar panel will do the work. And this light for $13.99, as you can see here, they have it over here, and you see the panel a little bit up here. As long as you get the sun, it'll charge the battery and you're good to go. Here is going to show you a little bit more mounting wise. This one, it looks like it's for the AC one, and this is for the solar, so it's pretty easy. I've mounted. If you watch my other videos, I did Sun Force from Costco. I think that one was like what, $39.99 plus $10 off. $29.99, something like that, in that ballpark. And I did a couple other ones from Amazon as well. And to be honest with you, I think it's maybe like a year or more, and they're still working great. Okay, so if you want, you know, you can give this a try. You know, for $13, you can't go wrong with this. But about this item itself, it's solar powered energy saving. The brand name is kind of funny. Hykolity solar LED security light. Okay, with 5,000 milliamp rechargeable lithium-ion battery and 1500 lumens light. Okay, smart 2 sensor design. Let's see, quick installations, and this is where that I might be interested in. Here it gives you a 3 years warranty. I think that's really good. Most of the one that I've seen on Amazon, they give you about, I think, a year max, but this one with 3 years, you know, that gives you a peace of mind. And as you can see here in the pictures, there's many ways where you can put them, where you install them, you know, wherever you need it, you know. But for $13.99, I'll list all the information, the code as well, in the descriptions. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, take care and enjoy the savings.